Well, it started when he was 2 years old. We were passing by Crawford Market and suddenly he saw some roosters and hen being taken and he says, "Mama, I want to take them home." So that was how it began. And today we have, I think, 500 hens, goats, sheep, 10 cows, squirrels, hamsters, all living with us. It's quite funny because the rooster crows at 4:30 in the morning and wakes us all up that he wants to grow up and become a farmer.
सेवा करने में हम कोई पिछाई नहीं रखते, हम जितना हो सके उतना सेवा करें।